got a box opening for you. And yes, it is an OSight S.
Let the hate flow through you.
Greetings, citizens, scholars, and friendly knights everywhere. Tack Nerd is here. This is a Chinese optic. And taking a look at the box here. It says right here, do not accept if seal is broken. It seems awfully cruel, but we are going to break the seal. So I got this at everyone's favorite place to shop, PSA. This was a Black Friday deal, or early Black Friday deal. And Olight always has such the nice packaging. They make it feel like an iPhone. So, believe it or not, this is the first time I have used, this is some sort of a bag or something that they're giving you. I guess it's some sort of a carrying case or bag or something. I'm not going to use that, so I'll put that here. These are the screws. They give you pretty much everything you're going to need here. So, and I think this is a screwdriver, I believe. So, yeah, there. And then this is itself very small. And I got to tell you guys, me being the tack nerd and everything, you probably think I would have had something else by now, but believe it or not, this is really my first entry into a pistol sight, a pistol red dot, really. To be quite honest, I've not seen the need for one. So, oh, look at that. That's the charging mechanism right here. And this is the USB-C. So that plugs in just like your phone would, and that's going to charge that up. Now, I have scant few pistols that I can actually put this on. I have one that I built that I don't really like. And then I have the RXM, which from what I understand will accept. So I think we're going to try to put it on here. And I don't know that it's really meant for that. I think this is really meant for an even smaller pistol, but we're going to put it on the RXM nonetheless. And we'll see how that looks. Now, I will not be able to show you any sort of installation of this sight, because as you know, YouTube believes that would corrupt your soul and damn you into eternal damnation. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. I do like that. That's neat. Yeah, so this was on sale, as I said, for Black Friday. Cannot give you the exact figure, but if I was a prisoner in a Star Trek-like science fiction-y way, I would probably bet about 200 quatlus.
100 quatlus on the newcomers.
On this. And I think that would take it. All right, so here's your USB-C, and this is a lanyard, it looks like, and I guess that would be for this. There's the lanyard hole right there for that. I guess if you just wanted to, I guess you could put this on a backpack or something. Now, I know a lot of people don't like the chargeable type stuff. I'm not really sure what to think of it yet, because as I said, I have not delved deep into this. As a prepper survivalist like thing, I would say I have two minds. First, that really any kind of electronics is going to be a little problematic. And second, the fact that there's so much USB-C type stuff out there, I would think that should make charging fairly simple, or at least simpler. I mean, heck, look, I even have, this is a charger. This is for a DeWalt battery, and you can hook something up to this, and I could charge stuff with it. I mean, look at that, if I had to. I keep all the batteries in my garage charged up anyways, so if something were to happen, heck, I could charge it with one of my batteries. So yeah, I mean, it is useful to have everything using the same equipment. I do really like this though. This is nice. They give you everything. Look at that. Look how nice these are put in. Look at that. That is really, really convenient. I like that. I do really like that. So I'm going to put you all on pause, and then I'm going to see if I can install this, and then we'll come back, and then I'll let you see what it looks like. Stay tuned, y'all. All right, sports fans, we are back, and here we are. This is the OSight S on the Ruger RXM. Pretty nice, I have to say. Now, it does have this big, ugly kind of gap here. That's most likely because, like I said, this sight was made more for really a subcompact than a compact, but it's not horrible, and I really like this a lot. I don't know if y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's a how do I describe it? It's like a circle dot with a target. It's really, really nice. Perfectly co-witnessed too. There's going to be too much glare on the camera to really see it. I'll put up a graphic of what the sight looks like, but really, really cool. Yeah, it's still going to be, there's going to be too much of a glare, but it's really nice, folks, I have to say. Now, I have astigmatism, so red dots are a little problematic, but I tell you, when it's on the not so bright portion here, it kind of works. It's not bad. Now, I'll have to wait till I get to the field to test this. As I said, I'm not a big red dot guy for pistols anyways. I think irons generally are fine, and this has really nice sights to it. So I don't know. We'll see. But I'd like to have one to experiment with and just to see. So yeah, we'll see how this works. It's got a lot of nice goodies in here. I know it's Chinesium. People are gonna fret about that, but I'll tell you, Holosun is made in China. They make really good sights. It is what it is, folks. So it's a good company. I have some Olight lights too. I've never really had any problem with them. I'm not an operator. Most of you aren't either. And if you are, you've probably got your stuff paid for you anyhow. So this is nice. This is a nice entry level portion, I would say. So we're going to try this out. Like I said, I like all the stuff that they give you with it. One piece of advice, I think you probably know, if you buy a lot of gun parts, you get tons of these little baggies. Make sure this is the plate, the RXM plate and screws. Make sure you put your original stuff in here. And whenever I change anything out from stock or OEM, I put the original stuff like literally back in the pistol case that I got the pistol with, that I have stored away somewhere. So I always know where that stuff is. If I need to bring it back to OEM, I have it. So anyways, folks, that is just a quick unboxing of the OSight S. We'll get out there and test this out soon. And yeah, we'll let you see how it works. That's it, folks, for today. Remember, do all of the stuff, all of the YouTube stuff, do all of the likes, the shares, the subscriptions, the thank yous, all of that spiel. Do that. And remember, prep accordingly. Tech Nerd signing out.